Hey, what's good, guys? It's Brandon. Welcome back to my channel. What we have planned today is something super simple. We're going to make some baked chicken wings. I'm going to show you how I like to prepare my baked chicken wings. There's not much to it. Simple ingredients, simple preparation, but big flavor. All right, now we're going to get our chicken seasoned. Now, when I make baked chicken, quite naturally you want it seasoned really well, but I don't like it salty. So we want to be careful with the amount of salt we use. This particular brand of seasoned salt is not super salty, so that's the reason why I like this brand. It's the Morton seasoned all. I don't know if you've ever seen that in your store. I like that better than Lowry's, but you can use whatever you want. Just season it to your taste. So we're going to go with a little seasoned salt, some granulated onion. I like to go a little heavier with the onion and the garlic. And then the complete, like I said, the complete, it just has like everything you need as far as seasoning, as far as I'm concerned. If you like Mrs. Dash, this body is kind of like Mrs. Dash's cousin with a little more swag to it, a little more flavor to it. That's the way I look at it. It's kind of like on Family Matters, you had Steve Urkel, and then when he would transform into Stefan Urkel. Well, that's what this is, in my opinion. Your Mrs. Dash is your Steven Urkel, and the complete is like the Stefan Urkel. If that makes sense. But anyhow, let me go ahead and get this seasoned up real good. Also, when I like my baked chicken, I don't like it real wet. I like it almost dry, not like the chicken dried out, but I definitely like the skin on the drier side. I don't want it all wet or anything like that. So, appease when you cook. So we're going to hit it with a little more complete, a little more of the seasoned salt, and make sure it's mixed thoroughly through. And that's it as far as our seasoning is concerned. Let me get my pan over here, and I've got the oven preheating up to 375. I've got a cookie sheet basically lined with foil. I like to bake my chicken a lot of times in like a shallow pan. That way more air can circulate through it, and kind of like I said, kind of get that skin crispy like I like. We're just going to put a little bit of this cooking spray on the foil. Now, you don't need foil, but this is to help with cleanup, but do what you like. Then we're going to take some of those peppers and onions that I told you about, and we're just going to put a shallow layer on the bottom of the pan. That's also to help prevent the chicken from sticking. And then also add a layer of flavor. So that's all we're going to do with that. And we're just going to line our chicken up on the pan, spreading it out evenly. You know, you don't want it, if you can help it, not to be overlapping one another. Otherwise, sometimes that's how you wind up with, you know, kind of like that soggy skin and stuff like that. So if you can help it, it's best if you can have a little air, a little space in between, but if not, it's fine too. So, like, there we go. And so we've got a couple pieces that are a little close, but it's for the most part, it's layered the way we wanted to. You can see that. Now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take the rest of those peppers and onions and just lay it on top. I love baked chicken, but I like it baked a certain way. Like I said, we grew up eating it, and there are some times where some people just make baked chicken, like I said, it's real soggy. Skin is soggy and stuff like that, almost like boiled chicken that was baked, and it tastes okay, but you know, I like to have that crispy skin and a little bit darker color on my baked chicken. So that's all we're going to do as far as seasonings. We got a season, we got the pan lined with the peppers and onions topped off. Now all I have to do now, I'm just going to cover it lightly with a piece of foil. We're not going to cover it all the way, but I am going to bake it off for about 30 to 40 minutes covered. Then we're going to take the foil off and rotate the chicken around, or turn it over and let it bake uncovered so we can get that crispy skin. So I'm gonna put this into a 375-degree oven, and I'll see you guys back in about 30 minutes. All right, guys, we're back. It's been 30 minutes since we put the chicken in. Now I'm just gonna rotate the pieces around And now when we go back in the oven for the next hour or so, we're just going to leave it uncovered and allow this chicken to get that color we're looking for, and for that skin to crisp up. I always like to start my chicken off covered to get the process started on getting it cooked. And then from here on out, like I said, we're going to be cooking it uncovered, so that we can get what we're looking for. We may rotate it probably another one time after another 30 minutes, check on it, and then go from there. But that's it. Just wanted to bring you guys back in real quick to let you see where we're at, how it's looking, the process I do when we do baked chicken wings, and that's it. So I'll see you guys back here shortly. All right, it's been 30 minutes, another 30 minutes. We're just gonna do what we did the first time. We're gonna flip them over. We're starting to get color on one side. Now we're just trying to get color on all the sides. But you see they're cooking good. A lot of this liquid I want to cook down or cook out. So we're gonna just flip them like I said. Keep going. And then the next time I'll bring you out, they'll be done. So we're hoping another 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes, just until this liquid that's in the bottom of the pan cooks down and these wings get to the proper color that I want, and the skin to get a little crispy, and that'll be it, guys. So that's just the process. Just cooking, rotating, and letting it go. That's it, and I'll see you guys back when it's time. Our wings are done. We went another about 45 minutes just to get them where we want them. They look good, smell amazing. Can't wait to taste them. You can see we got that pretty color that we were looking for on the wing. So all that's left for us to do now, we're just gonna plate up, go ahead and make my plate for dinner, and then we'll go ahead and get a taste in. But that's about it. It's simple. You know, just take your time and do it. Rotate the wings around, cook them covered for about 30 minutes or so. Cook them uncovered for about another hour until you get that perfect color and the way the skin the way you want it, and that's it. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys back here with a taste test, and check in a minute. All right, here's my plate. See those wings cooked perfectly. A little simple dinner, some mashed potatoes, some green beans to go with it. But what we're concerned with are these wings. So see that? Just the way I like them. Seasoned just right. When you make them like this, you don't miss eating fried chicken. So that's why I like to make them the way I do. If you want to douse a little hot sauce on you, you're good to go. Fire. Again, if you guys like my content, you like the video, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Let your family know what we have going on over here. I appreciate you guys. Until the next time, be sure to hit that notification bell so you can see the next time we come out with some new awesome content. I appreciate you. God bless.